Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Kid Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for families with young children. Whether you're heading to the park, the beach, or just around the neighborhood, a reliable kid wagon can make your outing significantly easier and more enjoyable. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of kid wagons, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect fit for your family. Number 5. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Stroller Wagon. Introducing the Radio Flyer Wagon. This versatile wagon offers 3 riding modes, seating for 2, and a spacious utility cart. It's perfect for playtime at the park, beach, or just traveling around town. The wagon features high seat backs and thick padded seats for a smooth ride. It also includes a weatherproof canopy with adjustable poles to keep your kids protected. This is the perfect beach wagon with big wheels for any adventure. Enjoy a smooth ride with the off-road real rubber tires, perfect for sidewalks, grass, or sandy trails. The DuraClean fabric makes it easy to wipe clean after any muddy adventure. This kid's wagon comes with a rear storage pouch and 2 front cup holders, keeping all essentials within reach. The one-hand flat fold design ensures easy storage. Assembled product dimensions are 39.37D x 21.26W x 40.75H. Recommended for ages 1.5 plus years. Get yours today. What we like. This wagon is a versatile 3-in-1 solution, functioning as a stroller, a wagon, and a rolling cart. It offers a smooth ride with high seat backs and padded seats, ensuring your kids' comfort. If you are looking for a wagon that can adapt to different needs and terrains, this is a great choice. It's also easy to clean, which is a big plus for parents. What people say. This wagon is excellent for the price though, way better purchase than the more expensive brands. It is solid, sturdy, lightweight, and affordable. The assembly looks like a pain out of the box, but it was actually only like a 10-minute job. The wagon folds up very nicely, and fits anywhere. The roof pops off and folds up, stored in the side pocket of the wagon. The poles for the roof are built in, and simply slide out when needed, which is really cool, no assembly or loose parts. This was a huge bonus. It fits our 5-year-old and 2-year-old simultaneously with no issue, and plenty of room for other stuff if you are camping, shopping, visiting the beach, or just going for a walk. This wagon has been a lifesaver in rolling around my grandchildren 2 and 3. They can both fit in it. It's so easy to fold and unfold and store away. They love putting their juice cups in the cup holders, and there is a large pocket for my things. We snap on the top when it's really hot or chance of rain. It easily fits in the trunk of the car. Very sturdy. So convenient, folds up easily for transportation and storage. Shades super easy to put up and on. The kids love riding in it and stay safe with the straps. 2 cup holder and a pocket for snacks, etc. Not just good on pavement but goes over any terrain easily. Sturdy and well constructed. Comfortable for 2 tall toddlers 41 and 35 inches respectively. Number 4. Radio Flyer All-Terrain Wagon for Kids. Introducing a classic red wagon, built with a sturdy steel body for lasting durability. This wagon is perfect for toddlers, toys, or even hauling gardening gear, blending fun and function for family outings. This heavy-duty folding wagon cart can carry up to 200 pounds. It features wooden stake sides for extra support, making it a reliable utility cart for everyday use, park days, yard work, or errands. Designed with no pinch ball joints and a controlled turning radius, this wagon prevents pinched fingers and tipping. It delivers a fun, stylish, and safe experience for 2 kids. Equipped with 10-inch all-terrain rubber air tires, this beach cart glides smoothly over various surfaces. It's perfect for outdoor play, family beach days, or trips to the farmer's market. The assembled product dimensions are 40.55D x 20.5W x 37.4H. It has a weight capacity of 200 pounds, making it a versatile choice for various needs. What we like. This classic wagon features a sturdy steel body, built to last through years of use. Equipped with all-terrain rubber air tires, it handles various surfaces with ease. If you value safety and durability, especially for outdoor adventures, this wagon's design with no pinch ball joints and controlled turning radius makes it a reliable option for your family. What people say. The wagon is easy to fold and unfold. The canopy is a great feature to keep the sun off of the kids. The wagon is easy to maneuver and push. Number 3. Best Choice Products Folding Wagon with Canopy, red. This collapsible wagon folds up quickly for easy storage. You can keep it by the door or in your car's trunk. It's designed for convenience. The removable canopy offers shade and protection from the sun and rain. This feature helps keep your items safe and dry in various weather conditions. It has a 32-inch cargo area, 2 cup holders, and a detachable pocket. These provide reliable storage for multiple items, making it perfect for outings. Easily haul food, gear, and other accessories to the store, park, campsite, or beach. Please note that it is not intended for use as a child carrier. It's built with a powder-coated steel frame and weather-resistant polyester fabric. The thick treaded tires can carry weights up to 150 pounds. Overall dimensions are 44, L, x 24, W, x 39, H. What we like? This utility wagon's collapsible design makes storage and transport a breeze. It comes with a removable canopy to protect your cargo from the elements. If you need a wagon for trips to the park, beach, or camping, this one offers ample storage and is easy to carry. What people say. This was easy to assemble and took maybe 5 minutes to put together excluding the canopy. This wagon is really sturdy, and even has a board on the bottom so my son isn't sitting on the rails. They both love the detachable canopy. When attached they call it the bus. Number 2. Delta Children Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon. This stroller wagon offers 3 convenient modes: car seat mode, stroller mode, and wagon mode. It's designed to adapt to your needs, whether you're using a car seat, seating older kids, or hauling gear. The compact fold and auto-lock latch make it easy to transport and store. It comes with a detachable cooler bag that can hold up to 16 cans. There's also a parent organizer with multiple storage compartments and a front zipper pocket. Plus, you'll find parent cup holders and large front and back storage pockets. The wagon features 2 adjustable leatherette handlebars for pushing or pulling. It has swivel front wheels for easy turning and all-terrain, puncture-proof airless tires. A 1-step on-off parking brake adds to the convenience. The back wheels are 12 inches, and the front wheels are 8 inches. It includes a removable UV-blocking fabric mesh canopy and roll-down shades to protect your kids from the sun and provide privacy. The canopy can be stored in a pocket when not in use. It can hold up to 110 pounds total, with 55 pounds per seat. It's suitable for newborns with an adapter and for children 6 months and older in stroller mode. With the canopy, it measures 46 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 46 inches high. Without the canopy, it's 46 inches long, 26.7 inches wide, and 46 inches high. Folded, it's 38 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 25 inches high. It weighs 46.6 pounds. The included car seat adapter works with several popular car seat models. What we like? This stroller wagon offers 3 different riding modes, adapting to your needs. It boasts tons of storage, including a cooler bag and parent organizer. If you are looking for a versatile wagon that can grow with your child and make outings easier, it's a great choice. What people say. Easy to set up, comfortable for the kids, easy to push around and control. It is a wagon, so it's not super small but not too big, loads well in the space in the back of my van. No need to fold down seats and still have plenty of space left. Well built, easy to fold, can hold a lot of things. The ice bag is really convenient, lots of storage pockets on the side. This wagon has 3 nice size storage compartments and each one has 2 or more sections. It comes with a nice size ice chest that holds about 10 to 12 canned sodas. Number 1. Delta Children Hercules Stroller Wagon. Introducing the Delta Children Hercules Stroller Wagon. This versatile wagon is perfect for families on the go. It's designed to make your outdoor adventures easier and more enjoyable. This wagon comfortably fits 2 children, each seat holding up to 55 pounds. It's recommended for kids aged 9 months and up, as long as they can sit up on their own. The cushioned seats and 3-point safety harnesses ensure a safe ride. Navigate any terrain with ease. The Hercules wagon features large, 8-inch puncture-proof wheels and swivel front wheels with brakes. Whether it's a park path or a sandy beach, it makes turning and pivoting a breeze. Rain or shine, this wagon has you covered. The durable, weather-resistant fabric and rust-resistant frame are built for outdoor use. The removable UV-blocking canopy and shades provide protection from the sun and rain. Keep everything organized with tons of storage space. It includes a removable center console with cup holders and pockets. There are also outside pockets and a parent cup holder for extra storage. It also folds compactly for easy transport and storage. The push-pull handlebars have multiple height positions for your comfort. This stroller wagon is certified and thoroughly tested, ensuring its quality and safety. It's the perfect companion for your family's adventures. What we like. This stroller wagon is designed for 2 kids and features a large capacity. It's easy to drive with its swivel front wheels and puncture-proof tires, making it suitable for any outdoor occasion. If you have multiple children or often go on outdoor adventures, this wagon provides comfort and convenience. What people say. Comfortable space for my young child and a friend, with adjustable buckles. 2 cup holders for caretakers and 2 cup caddies in the kids' attachment, as well as a space for books or toys. Quality shade attachment for rain or shine depending on your need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.